Oh, it's that time again. Hey, welcome. It's that time again when I'm going to be dyeing my hair. It's pretty much blonde, although sometimes it looks a bit pink. In my 2018-2019 video, I looked back on a time when I had purple hair, and since then I've wanted to dye my hair again, and I do still have two colours that I haven't done yet on my hair dyeing journey. They're both directions colours, and they are the colours Cerise or Charisse and Tulip, and I was going to mix them together to make quite a dark purpley red colour. They both look pretty much the same colour. I think this one is more red and this one's more purple. I've been feeling pretty crappy recently. Dyeing your hair a new colour can make you feel a little bit better, can't it? So I was thinking of doing that today. I think it's time to get dyeing. Right, so the bit that I'm actually a bit nervous about is mixing them together to get the right colour. Because they're so similar, and because I don't really know what colour I want, I don't know how much to put in. I haven't done it yet. I've got my empty jar, I've got some conditioner, got the colours, so I guess I just need to start mixing. So because I kind of want the purpliness back, maybe I should do more of the purpley colour, but honestly they're so similar. I don't know what I was thinking. Tulip is more red, Cerise or Charisse or whatever is more purple. So I think I will put more of Cerise, that's how I'm going to say it, and a little bit of Tulip and see how it comes out. Ooh, oh, look how pink it is in the lid. This one is Cerise and this one is Tulip. Tulip definitely has a redderness to it, a more red tone, and this one is definitely more of a pink one. Okay, let's get mixing. Let's do some science. Okay, I'm gonna add a dollop of Tulip, quite a big dollop. Can you see? Wow, it's so dark. Let's do 2 dollops of Tulip. Plop. Then let's add conditioner. I've got the Extracts Coconut and Sweet Almond Conditioner from Superdrug. This was nice and cheap. Mix that in. It's looking a bit too pink for my liking at the moment, so now we need to add in this very red looking Tulip. It looks so red compared to that. So let's get a dollop of Tulip, hoping that this is going to be a nice Valentine's-y colour as well, because this video should be going up around Valentine's. Oh, alright, this is the colour that we have. It's very beautiful. Let me see if I can, there you go. It'll be interesting, that's for sure. I'm scared. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. So first, sectioning. If I remember correctly, the last time I did my hair, I didn't have a fringe. Let's get dyeing. Okay. Here we go. Wish me luck. Cheers. Look at that colour. My stupid bun thing is getting in the way. I don't want this to take too long. Usually this takes me hours, so I might try and take less time today. Let's try and do this whole bit of hair. Yeah, let's just be crazy. It doesn't need to be neat when you're dyeing your hair. No, look, I've already done this section. This is a beautiful colour and I am excited. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, beach, yes. I think I might time-lapse you for a bit. So have fun watching me paint pink on my hair. High five! Why am I wearing these trousers? Good news though, I think this whole side is done. I'm gonna do the fringe last because it's on my forehead and I don't want a pink forehead for too long. So I'm gonna do the back because that's the next sort of hardest area. This is going to be difficult because I can't see it. Oh, I've got an itchy nose. Success! I didn't get any dye on my face. Alright, on to this bit. Let's do another time lapse, I suppose, whilst I do the back, because I have nothing to say. It's bright pink. My hand is getting really tired. Oh my. Look at the back of my head. Does it look okay? We're at the point where I'm ready to put the dye on my fringe, or I could just leave it like this and just have a blonde fringe. My ears are very pink, my neck is pink. This is the messiest time I've ever dyed my hair, I think, but also I think it's taken like a third of the time it usually would. Oh yeah. Get it all on there. I suppose I can always just clip it back if it doesn't look good. Get all those baby hairs. Okay, this is going okay. It's going okay. Oh, okay, here we go. This is a good idea. Paste it back onto the rest of the hair. I think the fringe is done, which makes the whole hair done. Okay, that's all on. It's extremely bright in these areas, but I'm hoping it'll be a bit darker than that, but we'll see. I'm gonna leave it on for a while, many hours probably. Look at my ears. I will check back in with you when I've washed it off, show you the final result. Woo! It's the next day and I'm about to reveal to you my hair. But first of all, I wanted to show you some amazing crumpets that I've got. Look at these crumpets! They're heart-shaped, you can't really tell because I put lots of cheese on this one, which is a bit of an experiment. Heart-shaped crumpets. I thought this was suitable, seeing as the video is slightly Valentine's themed. Okay, I'm gonna eat these and then I'll show you my hair. Reveal! I've styled my hair, done my makeup to sort of really match, actually. I didn't mean to make my lips completely match my hair. Here is the final result. It's so much brighter than I thought it would be, and it's very pink. I didn't mean for it to be very pink. It was meant to be like a reddish pink, but I suppose this is a reddish pink. But it's very, very pink and it's very vibrant, but still quite dark. What do we think? I'm not sure about it yet. But it is pretty cool. It's an amazing colour. Before I styled it, it looked, or maybe even now, but definitely before I styled it, it really looked like a wig. And I think that's partly because it's such an unnatural colour. This is how much I've got left. I don't think I did it amazingly well in some places, like my roots up here. And it's still on my ear. I don't think I washed my ear properly. It's still very pink. When I was washing out the dye, the colour just kept coming. Usually when I wash out my dye, the water turns watercoloured again. It turns clear, but it just kept being pink. So I reckon a lot of the colour might wash out quickly, I suppose. Pink just kept on coming in the shower. I was there for ages trying to get it to go clear, but it didn't. So that's the conclusion. It is quite a nice Valentine's-y colour, isn't it? I suppose. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again in the next one, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye! Ooh. Oh, let me reenact my reaction, because when I washed out my hair and I brushed it out, I really should have filmed it because my reaction was more reactionous than I thought it would be. Okay, I'm gonna reenact it for you. Let's pretend I'm taking a towel off my head. Let's pretend that these shorts are a towel. And do it like this, and then I flip it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. So bright. Ah! But there we go. That was my reaction yesterday. Okay. Goodbye.